Hey guys, got another quick one today, which is it's to do with what Autodesk released today actually. So the April 2018 release came out today, and it allows for a new workaround with drawings, which I was not that impressed with until now. It's kind of a new workaround for something that's not that great. So right now, let's say yesterday, pre-update, you couldn't insert images into a drawing, and so this is my fine tolerances part template. It's just got the logo. It's got this stock standard, title block, and it's got my tolerance table in here. But when I initially made this template, I didn't want to do the tolerances this way. I like to use ISO 2768 tolerances because that's what I'm used to, and it means that I don't have lots of extra decimal places all over the drawing and things. Generally, I lay out my drawings like this. I have my notes above here. I put my bill of materials here, and then my notes will go up the page as much as they need to make that fit. Maybe it needs a reshuffle, but generally it's okay. And my tolerances are over here. So I'll show you what I made my tolerance table in Excel a little while ago, and I can get it online here, but you can see it looks a bit nicer. Like there's these lines show that it just shows what these tolerances are meant to be much more clearly than what it currently is in Fusion. It's a bit weird looking to me, and it's a lot to do with the limitations and formatting that you can do with tables in Fusion, and that you can't make lines not appear, or you can't shade things in certain ways and all that, which in Excel you can do whatever you want, obviously. So basically this means that I can now grab this as just an image, because it's a standard. These are numbers that you can get off the internet anywhere, and I can just chuck this in as an image, which is great. And I'm just gonna give that a go right now. This is on. I don't have Excel on this machine, so I'm using the online version. So I am just gonna take a little screenshot of this. Just use my snipping tool. Grab my linear dimensions. Linear dimensions. No. So that's, and then these are the ones I want. Tolerance class fine. So this grabs my linear dimensions from up here and just groups them together. So I get linear, external radiuses, and chamfers and angular dimension tolerances. So yeah, I'll do the same thing again. New one of those. I don't do I want the, yeah, I'll grab everything. I'll clean it up in Paint. So I'll copy that. I'll chuck it in Paint quickly. High class engineering stuff this. Zoom in, grab everything, move it over. So I imagine at some point Fusion will have the ability to basically open a little Excel window, which will make all this redundant. But yeah. So tolerance. Oh, I've already got one, but I'll resave. I'll save over it. I'm sure this one's better. Yep. And then I'm gonna go in and try this new image import thing in the Fusion Drawing template. Fusion Drawings, I'm using it as a template. So I'm going to insert an image, tolerance class, fine tolerance table image, open, chuck it there. Okay, so I can scale it, position it, and scale it. So the scale looks a bit off. I'm going to make that maybe 3. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. So let me just grab this whole table and move it off. How do you move this? I think you have to move. Yeah, I'll just move it off the drawing for now. Oops. I'm really not used to all of this, having to specify move before actually moving something. And then you have to press enter. Right. So now this thing, what can I do with this? You have to do the same thing. Move. Do a transform. I'll put that in the corner. Press enter. So that looks a bit weird. I think I have to space it off slightly. Select that. Transform that point. And I'll move it off just ever so slightly. Yeah. That didn't work. Move this from that point. Transform here up to the enter. Alright then. Cool. So if I do a I'll PDF this and we'll see how it looks. Let's have a look. Come on, buddy. Basically just want to check how pixelated that table is, and if it's okay, then happy days. Yeah, I think that looks way better. Way smaller, clearer what the dimensions mean. So yeah, I think that that image, that copy and paste image, and being able to insert images into these drawings is a bigger deal than just being able to put, you know, just another image from a render or something. I think this is that's a pretty good thing to be able to do lots of workarounds now. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Let me know what you think. Cheers, guys.